Hey guys, what's up? It is Cool Wolf, and today I'm playing Beast Farm Simulator again. And why does it keep popping up? Okay, so here I'm playing Beast Farm Simulator, and right now I got 31 bees, I believe. These are all my bees. They are cool. I got the new Carpenter bee, whatever it is, Caterpillar bee, I don't know. The Carpenter bee. And yeah. So yeah, I got that. And then my 31st guy is a shy bee. So yeah, and I also got the bumblebee mask because I did the challenges. But what I'm actually trying to grind for right now is a pinch of magic. So I have to get sparkles and honey tokens. That's gonna be hard. And then after this, I got one more quest, and then I get the festive bee, I believe it is. So that's good. And I have like 36 days to do this. I'm not sure what the timer is. Let me go check real quick. Yeah, the timer's like 36 days or something, because like I know for 35 days. Alright, so it's for whatever second, 44 minutes, 3 hours and 35 days. So yeah, that's good. That's okay. And that's 2 times XP event. The event is gone, so we don't get that anymore, sadly. Yeah, I also got a present, but I already gave the present to every NPC that I could get, except for the the guys you need to give the translator to. So yeah. Yeah, also, since I got one of these, I need to do the ant minigame. Because if you look, I'm doing Onnet's quest. Star quest, I gotta collect all this as well. So I gotta kill 10 giant ants. But I already did 5, so it's basically 5 left to do. So I also gotta do that. So yeah, let's quickly. Okay, I have 2 ant passes now. Let's go over here and do this. Alright guys, we are in here and these ants are invisible. That's okay, at least that one isn't. Okay, good. The texture is loading it. Now we just do this 24/7. Okay. Let's just keep doing this. I have a score of 6. Alright, let's see. What is the actual highest score? It's, I don't know. It's like 200s or something. 200 something. Okay, but forget the 200s. We gotta get to the 30s at least. I'm gonna die. Oh god. Okay. Kill them all. Good. You bees are amazing. Wait, can you guys give off honey tokens or something? Come on. Come on. Give us honey tokens. I need. Yes. What? No! The ant messed it up! No! Flip. Okay. Well, the bronze ant, I'm not going to get. Actually, I do have it. Ever. Oh, I know, I got the silver one, so I have to keep mine. And then all my bees are. Isn't this satisfying? You know, you look at all these bees sleeping, getting their energy up. Then you click on one, and you notice it's actually not regenerating their energy, and that just makes your OCD drop. Okay. Combat bee, no. Okay. No. Okay. Alright, let's go up here, and if I can. Alright, guys, we must, I don't know. We get stuff. Yeah, we get stuff now. Let's see. No, I gotta wait 9 minutes. I could have done this video 9 minutes later, but no, I decided to do now. Alright, let's see what we got here. Yeah, I hate you so much. He's the worst person ever. I don't like polar bear. His quests are so dumb. Add new easier quest, please. Want it? Okay. Over here we got the rose field. It's very red. And it's it's cool. Oh, also I got an Xbox message. Oh yes, I totally don't get those sometimes. But it was a special Xbox message. Out of the 56 people that are subscribed, this one guy said, I enjoy the videos make or something Pound lines, okay? I don't remember quite. And I said thanks. He said you're welcome. He's just like, how? How? I don't know if I eliminated him on Fortnite. He's like, oh my god, I'm gonna make his day. Or if he was like, or wait, was he that other guy? No, okay, that was later on into the game. Yeah, so it is really strange. Somehow, out of 46 people, 46 people, that I somehow came across that guy. Not too sure how, but that's good to know. Alright, I need all these token thingamajiggy. I was like, what are the chances? If you are this, I can't speak. If you are the guy, here you, okay, wait. Will be. If you are the guy that sent that message, then send a message in the comment section below too and say I am that guy or something. So I can know. I don't know. That'll be cool. Alright guys. Yeah, now what? Alright, let's just get more stuff. Actually, I did the beetle, the king beetle, and I actually got a better amulet here. Amulet here. So I get 40. Oh my god, my finger's blocking it. Okay, whatever. You guys check the stats. You guys can check the stats because like I can't see it. So yeah, and then that's the stats, and then then over here we got this thing. I think it's done. Yes, it is done making honey. Alright, I'm taking a trip to the devil's lair. Okay. Okay, don't kill me. Oh, shoot. Of course. Oh my god, wait, that makes me think. Should I start doing more videos? Because, like, I haven't been doing videos yet. I mean, I do videos, but, like, not that often. So, should I make some obby parkour maps? Please tell me in the comment section below. Everything's in the comment section below. Oh. 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 Oh yes, this is totally a shop. Oh, 5 trillion? Plus all these my brain cells. Oh my god, my brain cells. Okay. I died because my brain cells. What? That. Wait. Okay, my brain cells are dying right now. 5. No. Not 1 trillion, even though it's still a lot. Not 2 trillion, not 3 trillion, not 4 trillion, not... Oh, wait, actually, it is 5 trillion. 5 trillion. Oh my god. Like, I only have 10 million honey. Also, guys, sorry, okay. Quick update, I also got better bronze amulet. I got way better moon amulet. I'm not sure for my last episode if that's new. But then I got the head. I think I showed you guys already. And yeah. Should I buy something from the shop? Wait, I can buy the festive. Okay, if I don't get the festive bee within the 35 days, I think it was, I'm gonna have to buy a festive bee, okay? But I think I got like one more quest or something to do after this one. So most likely I am going to get the festive bee no matter what. Claim 1 royal jellies for, I don't care, I don't want to read that. Then we got the stuff over here, and then, oh, what, okay, that is epic. Oh my god. You need 30 gifted bees types to generate a diamond star emblem. Yeah. So basically, I need all my bees but one to be gifted. Dang it, that's gonna take a lot of grinding. Like, I need a whole entire life worth of grinding. Alright, so, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if, why? Why moon? Why do you have to make it dark? Anyway, so guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. And like always, have a wonderful, I mean, I don't say that always, but who cares? Have a wonderful day. So, yeah. Bye! See you guys next time. Hey, no, come back here, guys. Oh, where are you going? See you guys next time. Bye.